In this screencast, I will show you how to locate the Mentor Toolbox and the ISM Guide. First, navigate to the ETSB Edu portal and log in. Click on the Quick Links box and select Google Drive. If your screen looks like this, click on the View as a List icon. Your folders should now appear in list form in alphabetical order. Locate the Mentor Toolbox. If you cannot find the Mentor Toolbox, it is likely that you have not activated the link sent to you in an email by Christine Murphy called IEP Mentor Toolbox and ISM Guide, sent on Tuesday, September 8th. Stop the video, find the email, and click on the enclosed link before continuing. Now, click on the Mentor Toolbox. Inside, you will find 3 items: the ISM Guide, the Mentor Toolbox, and a PDF file of timetables of all students.